How to start a social media marketing agencies? You have to make use of the following steps. One, define your niche. Identify the types of clients you want to work with. Example, small business, e-commerce, etc. Two, develop a business plan. Outline your service target market, pricing and goals. Three, build your enterprise. Stay up to date with the latest social media trends and best practice. 4. Create a professional website and showcase your portfolio and expertise on what you want to do. The fifth one, establish a social media presence. Demonstrate your expertise on social media and media channels. 6. Develop a client acquisition strategy. Network offer free consultation or provide value through content. The seventh one, we can say set up a project management tools, organize clients' work and communication. 8. Continuously learning and improve. Learning continuously. You continue to learn and improve on what you do. Stay ahead of industry trends and best practices. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say here. Some essential skills for a social media marketing agency include 1. Social media advertising. 2. Content creation. 3. Engagement of community management. 4. Analytical reporting. Then the fifth one is strategic development. Now, what specific area of social media marketing are you interested in? Let's look at what social media advertising is. Social media advertising is a form of online advertising that uses social media platform to deliver target ads to users. Now, here is a breakdown of what I'm trying to let you know now. There are types of social media ads. Example A, 1. Facebook ads. This Facebook ad targets specific demographic interest and behavior. And we have what they call Instagram ads. This is number 2. Visual ads with shopping, stories, and real integration. Now we have 3. LinkedIn ads. You know what LinkedIn is, right? Now LinkedIn targets professional based on job title, industries, and more. Now look at Twitter ads. Promote stead tweets and trends to reach specific audience. Specific what? Audience. Now there's TikTok ads. These are short videos ads for younger audience. Now what are the benefits of this? 1. Targeted reach. Reach specific audience based on demographic interests and behaviors. 2. Increased brand awareness. Boost brand visibility and recognition. Now, if you look at the third one, which says website traffic and conversation. Website traffic and conversation. Drive traffic and conversation with call to action buttons. Measurable results. This is number 4. Track ads performance with analytics and metrics. So you can track ads performance with analytics and metrics. Now the key components. When I say the key components, you know what I mean, right? I'm sure you do. Now the number 1 key components is ads creative, visuals, copy, and CTAs that resonates with your audience. Now these ad creatives, this visual, copy, and CTAs, they have to resonate with your audience. 2. Targeting. Selecting the right audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. You have to know your audience, know who you are trying to reach. You don't just, unless if it's global, but doing these stuff things, you have to know who you are aiming for, the audience. And the fourth one is optimization. Monitoring and adjusting ad performance for better results. You monitor and adjust your ad performance to get a better outcome. Now, best practices. Know your audience. I keep saying this thing. You target your audience and you know your audience. You understand your audience preference and behavior. You know what they want. To use high-level visuals, eye-catching images or videos that grabs attention. You don't just use anything. You use something that will get people's attention. Test and optimize. Continuously test and refine ad creative targeting and budget. Monitor and report track ad performance, and provide regular reports. Now I'm gonna ask, would you like to know more about social media advertising or specific platform? No. If you would like to know more, you have to subscribe to this channel because I have to be explaining more, and in due time, I'll take you deeper on how to really get your stuff monetized, so you can be making money while you do others. Now look at engagement and community management. These are crucial aspects of social media marketing. Here's a breakdown. Engagement: responding to comments and messages. So when you post something on your social media, you have to respond to comments. You view them, see who is commenting, you respond to them, view the messages. You don't just leave comments like that. You have to engage your audience. Those commenting, you have to asking questions and starting conversations. So this is a form of engagement, using social listening to relevant conversation, sharing users generated content UGC, hosting live sessions, a question and answer or webinar. So you can equally create a webinar where your audience will come, do some questions and answering, you get to know more. So you have to engage the audience. Now, community management: building and managing online communities, creating and sharing valuable content, encouraging engagement and participation, resolving customers' complaints and issues, monitoring and analyzing community metrics. Now, what are the benefits of this engagement? Builds trust and loyalty. Responding to customers and showing you care. Responding to customers, as you know, can build trust. There's someone they can talk to. You know what I'm saying? Increase brand advocacy. Encouraging users to share their experience. You provide valuable feedback, listening to audience, and improving product services. Support customer service. You have to have a customer service for resolving issues and improving customer satisfaction. Now you drives engagement and conversation, building a loyal. When I say drive engagement and participation, it's a benefit of this engagement. It's one of the benefits of the engagement that we are looking at, where you have to one of the benefits of using engagement, where you have to know your audience. Drive engagement and conversation is one of the benefits, because you have to build a royal community that drives business results. That's what I'm trying to say. And best practices: be responsive, respond promptly to comments and messages, be authentic, show your brand personality and value, be consistent, maintain a constant tune and schedule, empower your community, encourage users generated content and engagement, monitor and adjust. You know where you have to make adjustments, you make adjustments, something like that. Track metrics and adjust your strategy accordingly. Analytics and reporting are essential for measuring the success of social media efforts. Now, coming to this analytics and reporting, here is a breakdown. Social media metrics. Reach. When I say reach, I mean number of people who viewed your static contents. So you reach. You have to know the amount of people, the population of people viewing your content. Engagement, like when I say engagement, I mean like likes, comments, share, and reaction. How they engage, how they react to your comment. Impressions, number of times your content was displayed. Click-through rate (CTR), percent of users click on this link. Conversation rate, percentage of users who completed a desired action. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. There's something like analytic tools. Social media, Facebook's insights tracks page performance and audience engagement. Twitter analytics. I'm talking about analytic tools now, where I say Facebook Insight, which tracks page performance and audience engagement. Now Twitter analytics monitor and tweet performance and engagement. Instagram Insight analyzes account performance and audience growth. Google Analytics tracks website traffic and conversation from social medias. Now, what's reporting? Well, when we say reporting, regarding regular reporting, schedule regular reports to track process, key performance indicators, focus on metrics and align with your goals, data-driven decision, use analytics to inform future content and ad strategies. Now we have visualize data, use charts, graphics and table to present data clearly. Benefits. What are the benefits? Measure ROI, track the return of investment from social media efforts, optimize content, use data to create more effective content, identify trends, plot patterns and trends in your data, improve. And the last but not the least of reporting this thing benefits, it improves strategy. Make data-driven decision to refine your social media strategy. So this is what I'm saying. If you are hoping in future to have a social media audience where you interact with people, you have to put all these things in mind. And bear in mind, you have to know your inch when having a social media content, when creating a social media content, you know your inch, the people you have to meet, the audience, to know your audience, what they want, know their engagement, how they interact with your page. So this way, once you identify your flaws, you make an adjustment. With time, you get to where you are going. But if you don't engage, if you don't interact with your audience, you don't reply their comments, you don't consider your audience to know the people you want to get to, you don't have a specific inch, you're just using this one today, you are not going nowhere. So you subscribe to this channel because we'll be going more deep on social media stuffs and how to make your money.